Hey guys, what's up? This is Yash here and I'm back with another video on Wix. So before we get started, do check out the links in the description. I'll be adding the links to any discount codes and let's get started. So today's agenda is going to be talking about is Wix a good website builder? But before we get started with Wix, what exactly is a website builder? So a website builder is a drag and drop tool that allows you to build websites without writing code. So you can literally drag and drop small elements and build your own website without actually knowing how to code. Now, over the years, there are two types of website builders that have evolved. One set of these are template based, which give you a certain template and allow you or give you the freedom to edit the content and change the color scheming. And the other ones being, they use artificial intelligence where they ask you a particular set of questions and then the artificial intelligence sort of generates a template according to the user's needs. Now, coming to Wix, Wix has both of these kind of uh, website builders integrated into their platform. So with Wix, you get a wide variety of templates along with build a website just according to your need by using artificial design intelligence. And if you're someone who knows how to code and you're a techie, you could probably use the OpenDev platform where you can uh, customize your website and add third-party plugins or customize your website in any way you want. Wix also has a lot of different features like a logo maker. They have different blog categories. Wix websites are always optimized for mobiles. Wix has different templates for online e-commerce stores. They also allow you to add SEO and manage SEO. This SEO is basically search engine optimization, which is a very important and necessary need for any website today because if you gotta beat it to the market, you have to come up in the top Google search and SEO is what gets you there. Wix, apart from that, also lets you link your own custom domains. So that's pretty much about the features Wix has. Coming to the subscriptions. So Wix has two different types of plans. One is for websites and one is for business and e-commerces. So for the websites, they start at a pretty reasonable rate for $14 a month. In fact, Wix also has a free trial where, some of the features might not be accessible, but to get started and to start prototyping, and if you just want to get the look and feel, you could start using Wix for free. And their base plan starts at 14 and goes all the way up to 39. I'm not gonna go through all of these here because it's just data and statistics. Y'all can go through this. And coming to the business and e-commerce plans, again, it starts at $23 a month, which is pretty cheap. You know, Given the fact that you can even accept online payments, that's pretty neat. And they go all the way up to $49 a month in their business VIP plan. And in case you're having a really huge business and would like a tailored solution, you can request custom pricings too. And again, this is just statistics and data which y'all can go through. Let's have a look at some of the templates. So when you go to Wix and try to have search for a template, they have a lot of different filters going on. So if you categorize by businesses and services, you can see they support a lot of different businesses and services. If you go to the store, these are templates for online stores. These are templates for independent artists or maybe portfolios of people, and these are templates for communities or educational institutions. And if you're running a personal blog or a food blog or an art blog, Wix has just got a lot of different templates and all of them are mobile responsive. So it's just a really great collection. Now, coming back to a few online reviews conducted, they indicated that Wix got a score of 4.5 to 5 out of 5 always. a lot of good customer reviews, and Wix has, as I've already told you, stunning templates, mobile optimized. They have a lot of different fonts, scroll effects, advanced design features. Wix also has an app market, which is an interesting thing. So this app market basically has a lot of custom apps which you can use with your website. Now, one thing to keep in mind is these apps are chargeable separately, and they generally follow a freemium model where first they give the users a free trial, or they have a free limit, after which the user needs to start paying. So I'd suggest you have a look into it before using any app. Now, one important thing about Wix is that it makes all the background processes look so easy and seamless. But you need to be careful about search engine optimization, because if you do not optimize your website on your own for with search engine optimizations, even though your website looks good, it's not going to show up in the Google search. And that's because Google does not see how good your website looks, but it requires some level of search engine optimization. So that's that about Wix, guys. So overall, I'd say Wix is a good website builder. There are other alternatives too, like WordPress or Weebly, but WordPress requires you to sit and patch updates or security updates, and that's not a really great feel for a user, especially if you're not a techie. And coming to Weebly, it's kind of difficult in my experience to get Weebly to be mobile responsive. So overall, guys, Wix is a good mobile responsive website builder. That's been my time, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Also, make sure you check out the links in the description. We'll be adding links to Wix.com. Thank you for watching the video.